Jesus. Come, lady, come. You are looking. I'm pointing at you. Yes. It's your season of celebration.
Amen.
Are you with her?
My sister.
Your younger brother. Okay, stand aside. Stand separate. The season of celebration for you. Yes, yes. You celebrate. The devil is a liar. There's nothing that the enemies can do about it. The Lord is saying, I should tell you that you will celebrate. Don't think it's over yet. Should I be specific to you? Should I be specific?
Yes, sir.
I said celebration, people gathering for a marriage.
Okay. Man.
Because the enemy has stopped you that you can never settle down.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Because I speak to you now, you are just living life alone. But heaven is going to help you.
Amen.
And cover you. Your time has come. Is she your sister? Is he your sister?
Yes, sir.
Come. Are you related?
He's my immediate younger brother.
What I want to say, I don't know whether you should hear it.
We are very close.
You are very close?
Yes, very.
Are you sure?
Very, very.
How close?
Sir?
You know everything about him?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Because this one I want to mention is about is something.
Yes, sir.
You know about his something?
Yes, sir.
Did you know the...
Yes, sir.
So you know?
Yes, sir. I know everything.
How? Hey. So as you are growing up to become a man, is entering inside. As you are growing, it's entering inside. As you are growing, it's entering inside.
Yes, sir.
The more you grow, the more it goes in. The more
Yes,
you grow,
sir.
the more it goes in.
Yes, sir. And there's a sharp pin here.
Sir?
There's a sharp pin here.
Okay, but what I'm saying, you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
It's growing, going inside. Now it's very...
Small. Yes, sir.
Eh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, what? Yes, what?
I say yes, sir.
Yes, sir, what?
It's becoming smaller.
It's going smaller.
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me pray with you. Who gave me this paper? Face your assignment. Give him for me. Give him. I want to see you after the service. There's something. Please sit down. Sit down. Ah. You are making this service rowdy. Just sit down. There are some people, if you just touch them like this, from that day your body could just change. Exactly. There are some ladies, sir. When somebody meets some ladies, they have a capacity to reconfigure because of the water operations. It's a parable. I want to see you after the service. Your time has come.